Yeah man, it's one and only your guy, Big Money, as usual. Yeah, what do I have for you today? Today I have Python. Today I'm going to pursue, I'm going to go deeper about Python. Today I will be answering 4 questions about Python. The first question, what is Python? The second question, what can you use with Python? The third question, most popular web applications that were built using Python. The fourth question, how much do Python developers earn? Yeah, thank you guys for listening to that. I thank you for everybody who's taking his time to watch this video. It will be a very helping video. It's gonna help you to know more about Python. So for me, what I ask you is to go there down and subscribe to this channel. You'll be helping very much. Yeah, it's Big Money, the one and only. Subscribe there. Let's go deep into the video. Yeah. Now we are going to start our first agenda. What is Python? Yeah. Do you know what is Python? I think you don't know. And if you know, that's good, man. Okay, let's jump. So, Python is a very interpreted high-level general-purpose programming language which was designed and was founded by Guido van Rossum. This was a computer scientist who came up with Python, man. A very popular programming language. Python was launched in 1991. Yeah, it became to market in 1991. So this is when Python started being used. Yeah, it was added some other things. So to be simply and clear programming language. Yeah, this is a very popular beginner programming language. If you first time to hear word programming and we're gonna start running programming, yo, I guide you, man. I guide you to start with Python, a very simple programming language, but harder. Simple but harder. Simple but harder. But not simple but harder. Yeah, you understand. There's no anything which is easy, yeah, you know. But the more effort you put on, the more energy you spend. Man, nothing sweet without bitter, man. That's yeah. That's my introduction. That's my advice, man. It's fun. Somehow crazy, but you understand. Yo, let's go to our second agenda. What can use Python? After knowing that it is a very popular programming language, what can use Python now? Okay, let's jump to what can use Python. Yeah, here I have for you 16 applications, sorry, in a real world application of Python. Number one is game, the web development. I hope you are familiar with web development because all of us use webs, use applications, Google Chrome, so many, I mean, understand. So Python is very popular in this with these modules, Django, CMS, Sprint CMS, and Pyramid, and so many others. So as you go learning Python, you'll be learning these frameworks of Python, Django, a very popular programming language which was used to create YouTube. You understand? Game development. Python, it's not here. I can tell you it's not the best, but somehow the best. Yeah, if you want to know the best, you can watch the next video. I have a video for the best programming language for game development. Python is not, I didn't say it is fake, but here there's another one which is above it a little bit, but Python, even here, you can pursue in development. I told you a web developer must not know one language. He must be ready to learn so many programming languages so that you can run your job, man. The third application of Python is artificial intelligence. So here I recommend you. This is the first programming language in AI and machine learning, guys. Python is the first programming, according to me, according to so many people, is the first. popular programming language for machine learning and AI. So if you want to learn the robots and the other things and those stuffs, you're gonna start with Python. Start learning Python for now. Number 4 is desktop graphical user interface (GUI). Yeah, graphical user interface. Here we have so many modules. A framework of Python. You'll be learning all these ones: Tinta, Python GTK, PyKit, Kitty, Kiwi. So many. There are so many modules of Python that you'll be learning. Image processing. Now, number 5, application of Python. Python is used in image processing. Number 6 is text processing, natural language processing, and so many. Here we have 7 is business applications. So many business applications like Uber were built using Python framework called Django. You understand. Number 6, education programs and training programs. So many. Here we have so many webs that use Python. We have Coursera, edX, Udemy, Python Institute, and Harvard, and among top online providers of such education courses. They use Python. You understand. Our 9 is audio and video applications. I know everyone knows YouTube. I know everyone uses Netflix. I know anyone here knows Spotify. So it's very. Our next agenda, we are going to look for world-class applications that were built using Python. Uh, web scraping applications. Here we have framework built for SOAP, mechanical SOAP, Selenium, the data science and data preparation. Here, recommend you Python is good in this one. Synthetic and numerical application, machine learning, AI. You understand? Yo, this was the second agenda. Let's go to the third agenda. Top 10 most popular web applications that were built using Python. A very popular programming language. I guide you guys start learning this programming language. So let's jump. Top 10 most popular website development using Python and the Django platform. Let's see how fast. How fast is Python? Our second, oh my god, YouTube, man. YouTube was built using purely Python. Python, man. So imagine, guys, come up with an idea, Python, and you have to start applying your skills. Yeah, Python, as I told you, is a very popular programming language. YouTube, it was used to build YouTube, Google, Quora, if you want to get information about so many things, you're gonna use Quora, Dropbox. Oh my god, Dropbox, man. I know every person, so many people know Dropbox, man. Oh my god. Yahoo Maps. Yeah. Django, the framework of Python. Oh my, Instagram, man. The most trending social media application was built using Python by Kevin Systrom, a computer science who came up with Instagram. Instagram was built in 8 weeks. So I bet you guys start learning this popular programming language so that you can learn your career and your dream job. NASA, most famous place in the world. Eh? You know. So NASA website was built using framework of Python called Django, and also NASA uses Pinterest, you know, Pinterest and Mozilla Firefox. I think many of us have Mozilla in our laptops, not Mozilla, it's Google Chrome. Yeah, the Washington Post. These are the number 12, and so as you have seen, the most 12 web applications that were built using Python. But oh my god, Instagram, man, even me, I'm amazed, man. I didn't know. I'm honest. I didn't know that Instagram was built using Python. Yeah, guys, it's upon us to think and apply these skills and start learning if we have not yet to run this. I know you have enjoyed, guys. So for our last agenda, then I recommend you to go down there and drop your idea, drop a like, and drop a subscribe. Help me to develop. Yeah. Now we are going to 10 world class companies that use Python. Yeah, man. Yeah, so application of Python is used in so many ways. So let us see companies that use Google. Python was used to build Google, and there's no way Google can't use Python. Google, Facebook, man, Instagram, Spotify, as you can see, Spotify uses Python. Instagram India, Quora, Netflix, Dropbox, Reddit, Amazon. These are the world-class companies that use Python in their daily activities. So, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for being with me. If you have not yet subscribed, please, I beg you, subscribe there down so that you can get recommendations about our videos and develop this tech. Yeah, and develop this tech, man. It's big man, the one and only. Subscribe there down so that you can get main videos, certifying and pursuing this career. Python is a very popular programming language. It can be used in many things. Yeah. So it's upon us to start learning Python. You can start with basics online on YouTube. After getting that basics, there are so many self-taught programmers, man, who are learning web development jobs, and they pay off. They pay off, man. Even though it's hard to learn, but it depends on your time. If you determine in everything, if you put your energy and hard work in everything, even Mark Zuckerberg is a person. He didn't one day dream there and Facebook. No, man, he worked hard so that he can be reaching there. Yeah, thank you for being with me. Start learning this Python. I have so many other videos. Thank you. I got